Litecoin is currently in this rising channel to the upside. Could this channel hold until we break all-time highs in the near months to come? Find out on today's video and let's roll the cameras. So, I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Litecoin. So please make sure to like and subscribe down below before I start the video. As you can see, this is the daily chart of Litecoin, and currently Litecoin is forming these rising channels to the upside. These channels signify that Litecoin is going up, and if Litecoin price does maintain within this rising channel, we could see all-time highs very soon for the Litecoin price. But currently now Litecoin is kind of moving sideways, and possibly in a few weeks or months Litecoin could start another move to the upside to possibly breaking all-time highs. And if Litecoin does not break or go up, we could see some movements to the downside and possibly retesting the $140 level for Litecoin. So that's gonna be the bearish scenario if that does occur, because that would mean that Litecoin is breaking this rising channel to the upside, which signifies that Litecoin is bearish within the short term. So if we do see something like that happen, that could be very bearish within the shorter time frames for Litecoin. So now let's look at Fibonacci retracement levels of where the price retraced at before we saw a major bullish trend to the upside. So we'll measure from the last rally that occurred. So we'll take the lowest price from the last rally to the highest price, and the price retraced at the lowest at around the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Then the price went up. So that was a proper retracement level, which signifies reversals to the upside. So that was a good trade if you use Fibonacci levels. But now let's look at the current one and see maybe where the price could reverse to. So currently the price from the last low to the high did touch the 61.8 Fibonacci level, and this could be a sign that we could see a reversal to the upside sooner than later. But it's also possible that we also retrace it around the 67.8 Fibonacci level, because it has been our resistance before, and now it can be our support since we above it. So that could be another place where you could place a long trade if we reach those levels at the 70.6 Fibonacci level. So that's one long-term swing trade that anyone could use or enter. So now I want to look at the MACD to see if there are any indication that the price is going to the upside or the downside. But as you can see, now we're looking at the MACD. The momentum on the downside, these bars that are down here, is still to the downside. So until we see green bars going to the upside, that shows a momentum shift which is going to the upside. So if we see that, that's going to be a good sign to know that Litecoin is heading to higher prices within the near months and weeks. And also if we look at these moving averages here within the MACD, if they get a bullish crush to the upside, if the blue line crosses the orange line, then that could signal a move to the upside and could be a good long opportunity in the coming weeks and days. So currently now these two moving averages in the MACD are currently getting closer, and probably they will cross at some point within the near future. So we have to take a look at that. But these are MACD's indicators, are lagging indicators, so I don't use them when I trade. I use them as a lagging indicator to see if the trend has changed and we could be going to the upside. So these are like confirmation indicators to me that I look at time and time again. So a move to the upside for Litecoin is likely to happen in a few days or weeks. So be on the lookout, but we could also still break to the downside because these two moving averages haven't crossed, and also the bars here haven't flipped to the green side. So that could be another scenario where Litecoin could still head to lower prices. But I'm still currently bullish on Litecoin because we're still maintaining this rising channel to the upside, and if we maintain this channel, that still makes me bullish. So I'm currently bullish on Litecoin, even though price is going sideways. Yeah, Litecoin is currently consolidating now, and a move to the upside is imminent within weeks or days. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Always stay digital.